So hi everyone, so guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video we will be going to be diving into a very easy topic, amazing, very means wonderful topic, and it's also a bonus topic for both advanced mains and also class 10 ICSE aspirants, because this topic is there sitting, just taking up the space in algebra portion without doing any fucking thing. Means it is just very easy. Means if you just know the basics also, you can just able to solve it without practicing the maths also. Like what is the name of the topic? So this name will be sequence and series, and how the class 10 students will be getting it by the name of AGP, that is arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Okay, now what's the difference between the class 10 and class 11? Nothing. AGP will be just the same. The sequence, how the mathematical topics will be changing. Now the only difference will be the chapter's name will be different. Means in class 10 they will be getting AGP differently, and in the class 11 they will be getting it as a combined chapter, like by the name of sequence and series. Alongside AP and GP in class 11 they will be getting some other sequences like HP and AGP, and some other topics will be there that I will be discussing in another video by the name let me tell you that by the name of some special sequence. There is nothing special in them. It's very easy. Means if I say about Olympiad perspective, this in Olympiad the sequence will be coming. No, it is very hard to just looking and saying that this is a top, this is AP, this is GP, because they will be not providing you any specific AP or GP. They will be providing you some other random sequence which you have to find this relationship between the terms of the AP or relationship between the terms of the sequences. So in this video we will be mainly focusing on JEE mains, JEE advanced topics, and for Olympiad experience I will be making a different separate video. Now without wasting any so much time, let's start today's video. My name is Abhishek. You are watching Mathix YouTube channel, so let's start today's video. Firstly, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon near it and like the video, of course. Now okay, so let's start today's video. It means in this video we will be focusing on the main parts that will be coming in JEE mains and JEE advanced, that is AP, GP, HP, and a bonus topic, that is AGP. Now let's dive into the topic. Now first AP. Now I have told you AP stands for arithmetic progression. Now what is arithmetic progression? The sequences that will be coming like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just like that. Now why I told you that it is very easy? Because 2 comes under 1. After 2 there is 3, after 3 there is 4. You are learning this from the nursery, bro. Why to just there is no reason for behind it to just learning AP, because AP you are learning from learning from your lower classes. Now okay, so mainly in AP you have to go through with two different variables. One is A for apple, and D for dog. Now what's A stands for? A is nothing but the first term of the sequence. Now in this case, what's the first term? The first term is 1. So 1 is the A, means A equals to 1. Now what's D? D stands for common difference. D stands for common difference. Now what's the D? Common difference is the difference between each and every terms of the AP. Each and every terms of the AP has a difference, that is common difference, which is represented by D. Okay, now here you can see that 2 and 1 has a common difference of 1. 2 and 1 has a difference of 1. 2 and 4 has a sorry what time I did after 3, 4, 5. Now 2 and 3 has a difference of 1. 3 and 4 has a difference of 1. 4 and 5 has a difference of 1. Now so as each and every term is having a difference of 1, so it's 1 is called the common difference. Okay, now let's write the common difference as 1. Now question will be coming you like that, to find the T'th term. Okay, so T'th term is represented by T in suffix there will be N. T in suffix there will be N. And what's the T'th term? What's this fucking term? I have not listened to this thing. Now let's explain you what's the T'th term. T'th term is nothing. T'th term is nothing but the term that you have to find. Now N stands for the position of the term, position of the element that we'll be going to be finding out. Now T, if I write T n equals to 1, it will be T1. So what is the T1? What is the term number 1? Term number 1 is 1 in the sequence, and if I write here T2, it stands for term number 2. So what's the term number 2? The term number 2 is 2 itself. Now if I write this another sequence, 2 4 6 8 10 dot dot, so what's the t3 term? Means what is the third term? The third term is 6. The third term is 6. So this is how the system works. Now the formula for tnth, the general formula of tnth is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now n stands for the position of the term. Now let's check is it working or not. Now here I have written a sequence that is 2 4 6 8 10. Now after 10 what will be going to be coming? After 10 there will be 12. So let's check is the formula is working or not. Like so the 12 will be which number term? T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So T12 will be T6 term. So let's find the T6 term of this sequence through using the formula that I have given you. Now T6 will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is what? A is 2, and n will be T6 means 6 minus 1, and d will be, here was the d, what is the d? So d stands for common difference, which will be final minus initial. Means if it is T2 and this is T1, then d will be T2 minus T1. And another if I want to explain it, this d is T2 minus T1, which also equals to T3 minus T2, which is also equals to T4 minus T3, and up to Tn minus Tn minus 1. Okay, so this is the general formula of d. If somebody wants to tell you what's the general formula of d, we will be just saying it Tn minus Tn minus 1. If you will be using this formula in a very less way, means you can't able to just use this formula, because why the fuck you will use, means why the fuck the examiner will give you the Tn and T1 term, because nothing makes sense. Just minus T2 minus T1 means at least listen this topic, for making an AP at least you need 3 terms. For making an AP you need 3 terms at least. The reason is I will be saying it in the Olympiad video of the same topic. Okay, why 3 terms are minimum needed to make an AP. Now okay, so let's come back to the question. So d is what? 2. How can you how to find d is 2? Just minus 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, so what do we get? 2 plus 5 into 2. So by using mod mass, just do the multiplication. Don't fuck do the plus first. Don't fuck do the first, because students are going to be make the general mistake here by do not using the BODMAS rule that you have learned in class 5. Do not just use what you have learned. Just use what you have learned. Do not just apply your own formula by anywhere. Means it is maths. No, because it is maths. It is not your playground that you are going to applying anything in any other way and any other system. Okay. Here 2 plus 10, it will be 12. Yeah, 12. Through our general knowledge, we had put 2 12, and which will be coming, or which is matching with our formula's answer, that will be 12. So means the formula is working in a very perfect way. And why not use reacting? It is already proved. It is already proved the formula. So it will be acting, is must act in the right way. So now sometimes the examiner will ask you to find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series means I had written 1 2 3 4 5 6. So they will say you say to just find the sum of 3 terms, first 3 terms. So what is the first 3 terms? 1 2 3. So what will be the sum? 3 plus 2 plus 1, that will be 6. That will be 6. Now what is the general formula? Means you can find out the sum like that, but sometimes if in different series, like the series of the odd number, they will say you to find the 1kth term is 1000th term. You will not be finding out using your hands. No, it's just making it will not make any sense. So you will be using a general formula that will be I will be giving, and the proof I will be doing into the Olympiad video of the same topic by the name sequences series will be coming soon. Okay. Yeah, the general formula of sum of AP is normally I can say you that the sum is denoted by SNth or some sigma n, okay. This symbol is known as sigma. You have to learn this symbol, because this symbol will be helping you a lot. Means it will be coming quite sequentially. Means in every chapter you will be, in physics also you will be getting the same symbol. And so the formula will be n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So yeah, this is the formula that you will be going to be learning. And I know the formula seems to be big, and if you are tired by learning this formula, you can just check out my new channel that is called Fritzman YT. Here I make roasting videos, a lot of amazing contents are present. Just go and check it out, and just don't forget to subscribe the channel. And let's get back to the new topic. And so yeah, this is the formula, and you have to be learning it by heart. And if you don't have the potential to learn it, why the fuck are you learning, preparing for JEE Advance? You don't have the right to prepare for JEE Advance if you don't learn these fucking formulas. Each and every ICSE class 10 students are going to be learning it. Why the fuck are you can't able to learn it, as you are 1 year older than them? Just shame on you if you can't able to learn it. And okay, just this is the formula. This is everything from AP. There's a single term left, that is AM, that is arithmetic mean. I will be explaining it also, but I will be explaining the arithmetic mean and each and every means in a specific at the last of the video. Okay, now let's get to the next topic. That is this board is wait, let me just pause. Okay, so the next topic is GP. Okay, GP stands for geometric progression. Now, why I am using the term geometric? Geometric is referring to a shape, and again I will be saying it as in for JEE Advance. You will be not going to be needing this basic, means higher concepts of GP. Just go through with the formulas that we will be going to be saying, and just practice. You will be not needing to know why it's term, geometric I have used this term for. But in Olympiad, geometry will be helping you to solve the questions of GP that will be remembered by you. Okay, now GP, if I say a sequence, if I write a sequence 2 4 8 2 4 outside 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 up to going to be n. So this is an example of a basic geometric progression. This is an example of basic geometric progression. Here you will be going to be learning, we get familiar with two terms, that is A and R. So R stands for common ratio. R stands for common ratio. In AP we had learned common difference, and in GP will be going to be learning common ratio. So by the name we have to going to be finding the ratio, means there will be common term which will be again and again multiplied to a specific term to give you the next term. Let's just explain, get into the sequence and learning it. And so how it is, what is the pattern behind the sequence? It is, let's check, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, and just like that it's going on. And now if I say the common ratio, so this is T2, this is T1, this is T3, this is T4, and this is T5. The common ratio is T2 by T1 equals to T3 by T2, same as T4 by T3, same as T5 by T4, just going to be like that up to Tn by Tn minus 1. So I think you had now able to get to know why I use the term ratio. Okay, so here in this case, what is the common ratio? Can anyone say? Just go and write in the comment section and post the video. After posting the video, go and write in the comment section about the common ratio and just check it now. So the common ratio in this sequence is 2. How it came? T2 by T1. So what's T2? 2. T1 is 1. It's 2. Okay. So just like AP, they will be saying you to find the tnth term. So tnth term can be found by using the formula. Tn is a r to the power n minus 1. Remember, do not give the n minus 1 into a bracket, do not multiply the whole, do not raise to the power 4, do not raise this power as the whole of the equation. This n minus 1 is only in r, And about the Padmas rule, first you have to do the exponential part first, and after you will be doing the multiplication. Means if we had done the common mathematics about exponential equations, how the fuck are you able to think first? Means just say me, how the fuck are you able to think that you will be going to multiply at the first? Means how are you going to multiply it unless and until the a and r are same? A and r are same, means a and r having the base same. Means if a is also 2, r is also 2, then sometimes you can use that a r n minus 1. Here a is 2 and r is also 2 and n minus 1. So 2 means what is the exponent of 2? Exponent of 2 is 1. So you will be using the formula of exponent, that is a m into a n, that will be a to the power m plus n. By using this formula you can going to write 1 plus n minus 1, which will be to the power n itself. Okay, so that is the only condition where you can do the multiplication exponential part. In any other way, means I will recommend you in this condition do the exponential at the same time at the multiplication, then the length of the maths will be just become shorter. Okay, the rest is your choice. Okay, now just like the AP, you will be told to find the sum of this sequence. The sum of the sequence will also write by sigma n or Sn is equals to a by r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, a r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, so this is the this is the formula, and in most of the book they had done two separate parts. Just r greater than 1, and for r less than 1 they had written a 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Now what nonsense is that? First tell me what nonsense is that which student, which JEE aspirant can't able to figure out that if r is less than 1, they will be going to be writing the 1 first, then from 1 they will be minusing r to the power n. Means what the fuck are they doing? I don't know. And yeah, I know some students are there, and yeah, some are required, and okay, so they can do. And there is another formula also for r, that is r infinity. Means if s infinity means we'll be going to be finding the whole this sequence is going to infinity. Finding the sum of this infinite sequence is we will be going to use the formula that Sn equals to s infinity will be r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This will be the sum of r infinity. The proof I will be going to be doing into the Olympiad video of the same topic. Okay, so this is all about GP. So let's come to the HP. HP is a very short and you can remember it, and let's just rub the board. Okay, so next topic is HP. HP is nothing. HP is going to be HP is not so important for your JEE or any other examinations, because HP is nothing but the reciprocal of AP. Means reciprocal, but just you have to learn, you have to be remembering the HP sequence by this formula that I am giving you, that is AP by 1, that is the reciprocal, is equals to HP. By seeing this relationship, your head will be clicking that HP is the reciprocal of AP. Now if there is AP 1 2 3 4 up to n, so the HP will be 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 up to 1 by n. So this is the HP. So this is the HP. Okay, yeah, this is nothing to do. And here you can how to find the TN. First find the TN of AP. and just write 1 by the tnth of AP will be the tnth of HP. Okay, now the next term that sequence will be going to be learning is AGP. So this is a very short topic, but it has an important rule, because in most of the questions of AGP we will be told to find the sum of the AGP. Let's first check the general sequence of AGP. Okay, so yeah guys, so this is the general series of AGP. AGP stands for arithmetic geometric progression, means it is a combination of both arithmetic and geometric progressions. Okay, just like that. Here A is the first term. In the second term I have written A plus D into R. A plus D into R means A plus D is the what? A plus D is the arithmetic sequence, arithmetic part, and R is the common ratio, which is the geometric part. Just like that, A plus 2D plus R square. A plus 2D is the arithmetic portion, and R square is the geometric portion. So this is how the whole sequence works on. Now they will be telling you to find the sum of the whole AGP. So how can you find it out? The only one process that you will be using to find is I will be showing you. This is the one and only process you'll be going to be using. Other processes will take a lot of time. You can't able to manage your time in your examination if you use this formula. Use other steps other than this one. Okay, so just multiply both the sides of the equals to by the common ratio. What's the common ratio? Is R. So RS, and after leaving a space down the A, you will be writing the other terms, that is AR plus A plus D R square plus A plus 2D R cubed, A plus 3D R to the power 4 up to, here it will be going to be writing as A plus A plus ND R to the power n minus 1. Okay, now after writing it, just subtract the first equation from the second equation. Subtract it. Subtract, and just write like that. R minus RS equals to A plus, here starts the bracket, A plus D R minus AR plus A plus 2D R square minus A plus D R square. Just do it like that. Then you have to remember the last term into the bracket, means the whole number of terms into the bracket will be coming as n minus 1th term. There will be no n term, okay, because the n term is outside the bracket. Okay, now the last term will be okay, so let's do this like that, and the last term just keep it like that, A plus ND R to the power n. Okay, I think it's clear to you all. And what observation you will be getting is that the whole sequence into the bracket will be a specific progression, that will be geometric progression, and the sum of the geometric progression you already know. Yeah, it will be A R n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay, means A R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So it will be S minus RS, just do it like that, S 1 minus R will be A plus A R n minus 1 by R minus 1. So this is the formula. You have to put I had written the formula. You have to put n and into this formula and going to be finding out the sum. And after that, just write the last term, a plus nd r to the power n. So the sum will be at last will be a plus ar n minus 1 by r minus 1 plus a plus nd r plus r by 1 divides by 1 minus 1. So this will be the term. This is, I know it's seeming to be very demonic answers, but again I want to say, if you become bored by doing mathematics, you can just check out my channel. It's Prisman YT. Go and check it out and subscribe it. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for this kinds of amazing explanation on mathematics and science videos, because I'll be making videos on a lot of interesting topics like time traveling, quantum mechanics, and just like that. Okay, so yeah, all the progressions and all the sequence I had already completed. Now the last things that remains is the mean, that is arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. So let's first rub the boat. So the terms that are remaining is arithmetic mean, geometric mean. So first learn about arithmetic mean. So I want to say that in the case of each and every means, maybe it arithmetic, maybe it geometric, maybe it harmonic, what is mean? What is mean? Mean are the terms between, means between a and b. A and b might be the terms, some terms are there, a and b. Means between a and b are the specific terms. If I conjugate the terms between a and b, like am1, am2, am3 up to b, the whole sequence will make a specific geometric progression, specific arithmetic progression. Means am1, am2, am3, if these are the arithmetic, these are the arithmetic mean between a and b. So then in this case, am1, am2, am3 and b, this will be making a specific arithmetic progression. This is the mean. This is the mean concept of both arithmetic and geometric mean. Okay, now the formula of mean. Now there is some difference between the mean, arithmetic mean, and geometric mean between two numbers and the mean of two numbers. If I say the mean of two numbers is nothing but the average of these two numbers, but in case of geometric arithmetic mean between two numbers, you'll be going to be using this concept here. Okay, now arithmetic mean of two numbers a and b is a plus b by 2. So this is the formula of arithmetic mean that we're going to be know for using it in the equations, using it in the problems that will be going to be faced soon. Now about the same geometric mean. So this geometric mean between two terms are the same, just like AP, and geometric mean of two terms are root over of a b. Okay, so this is geometric mean of two terms. Not, remember, it is not the geometric mean between a and b, it is geometric mean of a and b. Okay, now HP can also come, just use this like this is AP. In AP there is a and b. In HP there is will be a and 1 by a and 1 by b. Just use the formula of AP here and just put down the harmonic mean. And there is a specific relation also between AP, GP and HP, which will be needing in equality parts. In equality parts we'll be needing it as AM greater than equals to GM greater than equals to HM. Okay, the relation is the relation is not completed. Okay, this whole relation will be, if I plug it, QM. Now you will say, wow, what the fuck is this QM? Now this QM stands for quadratic mean. This QM stands for quadratic mean, that is not there in either Olympiad nor in JEE advanced syllabus. This will be getting in college parts. Okay, you're not going to learn about this. Okay, so if I write it as, if I taking this part, write it as a plus b by 2 greater than equals to root ab. Okay, so sometimes some maths they will be saying that find the minimum number between a and b. You will be going to be using this formula. Just plug it, a plus b by 2 greater than equals to root ab, and a plus b will be 2 root ab. So the minimum of the sum will be a plus b equals to 2 root ab. Okay, so this is how we will be going to be solving the questions, and this video is up to that only. Means wait, sorry, some things are there, like in AP, if you hamper the AP by adding if we add a specific term to all the terms of the AP will remain AP will do not go to any other sequences. And if we also okay, yeah, so if we by adding or subtracting a specific terms to a AP, this will not hamper the equation, then hamper the sequence. In GP you can just go and multiply or divide any number, the GP will not be hampered. And just like AP, you can use the same concepts in HP, and AGP is, in AGP this kinds of concepts will not be there. Okay, you don't need to tension about this. Okay, so this is all about in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go and also check my another channel, Frisman YT. So let's meet in the next video of this channel. Go and peace out.